Investing is a crucial aspect of personal finance that can help you grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. However, for beginners, navigating the world of investing can be intimidating and confusing. That's why we've created this video to provide you with the essential knowledge and guidance you need before you start investing your hard-earned money. In this video, we will break down the basics of investing, covering everything from understanding the difference between saving and investing to exploring different investment options and strategies. Whether you're looking to save for retirement, buy a house, or build a financial safety net, this video will equip you with the fundamental principles and tools necessary to make informed investment decisions. So let's dive in and learn how to invest wisely, build wealth, and secure a prosperous financial future. Understanding the basics of investing. Investing is the process of allocating your money into different assets with the expectation of generating a return or profit over time. It is an essential tool for building wealth, beating inflation, and achieving financial goals. Before you begin investing, it's crucial to grasp the fundamental concepts that form the basis of successful investment strategies. In this section, we will explore these key basics of investing. 1. Definition and differentiation. Investing involves putting your money into assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds with the expectation of earning a return on your investment. It is important to distinguish between saving and investing. Saving typically involves storing money in a safe place like a bank account, while investing aims to grow your wealth over time by taking calculated risks. 2. Power of compound interest. Compound interest is a powerful force that can significantly accelerate wealth accumulation over the long term. It refers to earning interest on both the initial investment and any previously earned interest. By reinvesting your earnings, you can benefit from compounding, allowing your investment to grow exponentially over time. 3. Risk and return. Investing always carries some level of risk. Generally, higher risk investments have the potential for greater returns, but they also come with increased volatility and the possibility of losing money. Lower risk investments offer more stability but may yield lower returns. Understanding your risk tolerance or your ability to handle fluctuations in your investment's value is crucial in determining the appropriate investments for you. 4. Time horizon. Your time horizon refers to the length of time you plan to hold your investments before needing the funds. It can range from short-term, less than 5 years, to long-term, over 10 years. Your time horizon influences the types of investments you should consider, as longer-term investments can withstand more market fluctuations and potentially provide higher returns. 5. Asset allocation. Asset allocation involves diversifying your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to spread out risk and optimize returns. By diversifying, you reduce the impact of a single investment's performance on your overall portfolio. 6. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy that involves regularly investing a fixed amount of money into an investment, regardless of its price. This approach eliminates the need to time the market and reduces the impact of short-term market fluctuations. 7. Investor education. Investing requires ongoing learning and staying informed about financial markets, economic trends, and investment strategies. Taking the time to educate yourself through books, articles, seminars, or online resources can help you make better investment decisions. By understanding these fundamental concepts, you will be better equipped to embark on your investing journey with confidence. Investing is a long-term commitment, and patience, discipline, and continuous learning are key to achieving your financial goals. Setting financial goals. Before you start investing, it's important to establish clear financial goals. Having specific objectives in mind will guide your investment decisions and help you stay focused on what you want to achieve. Here are some key points to consider when setting your financial goals. 1. Define your goals. Start by identifying what you want to accomplish financially. Your goals may include saving for retirement, buying a home, funding your children's education, starting a business, or building an emergency fund. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals. 2. Short-term versus long-term goals. Categorize your goals into short-term and long-term. Short-term goals typically have a time horizon of 1 to 5 years, while long-term goals extend beyond 5 years. This distinction will help you determine the appropriate investment strategies and risk tolerance for each goal. 3. Prioritize your goals. Determine which goals are most important to you and prioritize them accordingly. Consider the urgency, impact, and feasibility of each goal. This will help you allocate your financial resources effectively and focus on the goals that matter most. 4. Quantify your goals. Assign a monetary value to each goal. Having a specific target amount will give you a clear objective to work towards. Break down your goals into smaller milestones to track your progress and celebrate achievements along the way. 5. Time horizon considerations. Consider the time remaining until you need to achieve each goal. Goals with longer time horizons allow for more aggressive investment strategies, while goals with shorter time frames may require a more conservative approach to protect against short-term market fluctuations. 6. Consider inflation. Account for inflation when setting your financial goals. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time, so ensure your target amounts account for the expected rate of inflation. 7. Evaluate your risk tolerance. Assess your risk tolerance, which is your ability and willingness to handle market volatility and potential investment losses. Generally, goals with longer time horizons allow for more risk-taking, while short-term goals may require more conservative investment options. 8. Review and adjust. Regularly review and reassess your financial goals as your circumstances change. Life events, career advancements, or economic shifts may impact your goals and require adjustments to your investment strategies. Remember, financial goals should be flexible and adaptable. It's normal for goals to evolve over time, so regularly monitor your progress, reassess your goals, and make necessary adjustments along the way. By setting clear financial goals, you'll have a roadmap to guide your investment decisions and increase the likelihood of achieving your desired financial outcomes. Developing an investment strategy. Developing a well-defined investment strategy is crucial for achieving your financial goals and navigating the complexities of the investment landscape. An investment strategy provides a roadmap for making informed decisions, managing risk, and optimizing returns. Here are key steps to consider when developing an investment strategy. 1. Define your investment objectives. Clearly define your investment objectives based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Are you investing for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your children's education? Each objective may have different investment requirements and timeframes. 2. Determine your asset allocation. Asset allocation involves deciding how to allocate your investment funds across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash. The allocation should align with your risk tolerance and investment objectives. A more aggressive strategy may involve a higher allocation to stocks for potential growth, while a conservative approach may involve a higher allocation to bonds for stability. 3. Consider diversification. Diversification is essential for managing risk. Spread your investments across different sectors, geographic regions, and asset classes to reduce the impact of a single investment's performance on your portfolio. Diversification helps balance the potential for higher returns with the need to minimize losses. 4. Decide on investment vehicles. Choose the investment vehicles that best align with your strategy and asset allocation. These may include individual stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, index funds, or real estate investment trusts, REITs. Each vehicle has its own characteristics, risk profile, and potential returns. 5. Regularly rebalance your portfolio. Over time, the performance of different investments within your portfolio may deviate from your original allocation. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to realign with your target asset allocation. This ensures that your risk exposure and potential returns remain consistent with your investment strategy. 6. Consider tax efficiency. Take into account the tax implications of your investments. Depending on your jurisdiction, tax-efficient investing strategies may help minimize the impact of taxes on your investment returns. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts such as individual retirement accounts, IRAs, or 401(k)s, and consider tax-efficient investment vehicles like index funds. 7. Stay informed and continuously learn. Stay abreast of market trends, economic indicators, and investment news. Continuously educate yourself about investment strategies, new opportunities, and evolving market conditions. Being well informed empowers you to make informed decisions and adjust your investment strategy as needed. 8. Review and adjust. Regularly review your investment strategy to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. Re-evaluate your investment objectives, time horizons, and asset allocation as your circumstances change. 9. Seek professional advice if needed. Consider seeking professional advice from financial advisors or investment professionals, especially if you're uncertain about certain investment decisions or need specialized guidance. A financial advisor can provide personalized recommendations based on your unique circumstances. Remember, developing an investment strategy is a dynamic process that requires periodic review and adjustment. Be mindful of your goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions to ensure your strategy remains relevant and effective in achieving your financial objectives. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance, investing, and wealth building. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. We're here to support you on your financial journey.